Welcome to 777 Ash, number 302, B2 floor plan. This apartment is 917 square foot. To your immediate right, there is a large walk-in closet with shelving and a place to hang your coats. Nice light to see your way around in your massive closet. Living room is very spacious. You'll be able to configure your furniture in multiple different ways. We have an east-facing window, also going to overlook Ash Street. Have beautiful sunrise colors in the mornings. Over this way we have the dining room. You'll be able to fit a full-size dining table over here. Just extend out this way. And then the kitchen, all brand new appliances, stainless steel. Dishwasher, gas range stove, and refrigerator. There are 15 cabinets and drawers. Be able to store all of your cooking items in here very easily. Right to the left of the entrance, we have the hallway. It leads to the bathroom and the two bedrooms. Let's stop at bedroom number 1. Now, this is a queen size bed that we have in here, but it'll easily fit a king size. Each bedroom does have a ceiling fan. Nice bright light in the mornings when you're waking up. Storage option in the closet in the bedroom. There's shelving in there as well as a bar to hang your clothing items. A little bit further down the hall we have the second bedroom, a linen closet, and the bathroom. You can store a lot of towels and cleaning supplies in here. Crystal doorknobs are original. Got brand new flooring in the bathroom. The rest of the apartment will feature walnut stained hardwood flooring. Nice beautiful aesthetic. There's a gorgeous pedestal sink right below. Shower tub combo, and nice and bright and cheerful in the morning when you're getting ready with that window. Here's the second bedroom. They're about equivalent in size. This one has 2 windows. You got the west facing and then the north facing. Closet. And the ceiling fan. It's a nice modern touch to each of the bedrooms. Also makes it nice and comfortable in the summer. This is our B2 floor plan at 777 Ash, 917 square foot. Thanks for touring with me today.